It's hard to work when you can't see what you're doing, but stick around. I have a few ideas that just might shed a little light on the problem. Whether it's performing a quick visual inspection, working under the hood, or in tight, cramped spaces under the dash, we have to be able to see what we're doing while we're working. The XD lighting line offered by KTool has a variety of solutions to meet that need. Let's start with the KTI XD 6132. This compact pocket flashlight has a lightweight aluminum housing and is capable of producing light in 4 different modes: high, medium, low, and even an 8 Hertz flash. At high, it produces 1,000 lumens of light, and that's enough to light up the darkest spots you're going to find yourself working in. The lithium-ion battery will provide power for up to 5 hours and can be recharged directly in the tool using a micro USB connection. It can also be used as a power bank to recharge other USB devices like your cell phone. And have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed both hands to work with, but you still needed some light on the subject? Well, that's where the KTI XD 5523 neck light comes in handy. Dual LEDs provide 300 lumens of light, and the flexible gooseneck design allows you to adjust each independently to get the light right where you want it. The light is water, oil, and grease resistant, and a magnetic mount allows you to store it easily on any metal surface. Working under the hood can provide some lighting challenges, but the KTI XD 5044C is up to that challenge, and then some. This underhood light can handle hood widths up to 78 inches and provides 1,400 lumens of light to work by. Its one-piece aluminum design makes it lightweight too, and the low profile leaves more working space under the hood for you. Looking for something a little more multifunctional? Then consider the KTI XD 5039C. This 3-in-1 underhood light handles hood widths from 48 to 77 inches and has a total of 1,500 lumens of light, provided by 2 detachable work lights of 750 lumens each. It can also be folded to stand freely on the floor for use as a floodlight. No matter what your lighting needs may be, the KTool XD line has a solution that can meet that need and stand up to the rigors of life in a professional shop. For more information, visit www.ktoolinternational.com.